Hi everybody, in this whole project we used MySQL underscore connect connection. This is an update to this course, so we will change the MySQL connection to MySQLi connection, which is an improved version of MySQL. So basically what you need to do is actually just change this database.php file, which is inside the the includes folder. So the syntax for writing the MySQLi connection is something like that. You have to create a simple variable con, or you can give any name to this variable, but you have to save the connection inside a local variable. This is a local variable dollar, and then con means connection. This will be equal to MySQLi, this time MySQLi, not MySQL, because this is the latest thing, and MySQL underscore connect is no longer usable in PHP. So therefore I am just updating this course with the new connection, with this new method, MySQLi connect. And after that, inside the these two parentheses, you have to write two double quotes, then comma, then two double quotes, then comma, then two double quotes, then comma. You have to write the local host in the first two inverted commas, and after that root is the name of the local host, and the password field will be actually empty for localhost, but you have to add the password when you upload this project to online server. And in the last two quotes, you have to write the database name basically, which is myCMS. So this is the new syntax for MySQLi connection. What you need to do is just save the page, and now when you will come to this this project and refresh the page, so you will see nothing is there, no post and no recent stories, and also no navigation bar or no categories. So what you have to do is actually you need to go to all the pages where we have included the database file from the includes folder. Here you can see database.php, and when you are running query, you have to change this to MySQLi. Instead of MySQL query, you have to change it to MySQLi query, and then give the name, the variable name of connection here, and after that this variable in which the query itself is saved here in local variable. So this is the syntax, because we have included the database file. After that, just write con and get gets, and write MySQLi underscore query. Same like that, you have to change this to MySQLi fetch array. That's it. Control S to save. Now I will come refresh the page. You can see this has worked, and the navigation bar is in front of you. Now we will go to another page, for example like this post underscore content. There you can do the same, just changing this to MySQLi query, and inside the two parentheses you have to add two parameters. The one is the connection of the MySQL database, and the second is the variable that is actually for running or executing this query, which is this one. But what you have to do is just simply add this connection variable, which we have actually here saved inside this. So Control S to save, and you have to change this fetch array also to MySQLi fetch array. That's it. Also to this one, wherever you have used MySQL, you have to change it to MySQLi, and in the query you have to add this extra variable which has the whole connection. So I will also add MySQLi here, and the connection variable here. Also we'll say this as MySQLi fetch array. That's it. Control S to save. Now once again refresh the page, you see all the posts are here, and the same thing I will do for this recent stories connection. So the simplest thing I wanted to tell you is that change the connection to MySQLi connect, which you can simply create in a single line code, and after that just wherever you have used the queries, just change MySQL query to MySQLi and add this variable, and after that this, I mean, 2 parameters here, and also change MySQLi fetch, MySQL fetch to MySQLi fetch underscore array. So this way you will be updated with the latest, I mean, PHP extensions in MySQL extension, so you will not face any problem in the future. And this was an update to this course. You can simply, I mean, you can go to download the updated source code from the last lecture of this course here, I mean this lecture, and the fifth section, the first lecture, uploading the whole CMS to online web server, or the final summary. When you go there to this lecture, just click the view source and download.
Hello everybody.
Download the source code from here. Its name will be MyCMS, so you can download it from here. It will be updated, I mean, according to MySQLi latest API and latest connection. So thank you very much.